Back. So move on to platelets, which are otherwise called thrombocytes. So these are fragments of cells which contain cytoplasms but don't have nucleus, just like red blood cells don't have nucleus. And it says these are very essential in repairing damaged blood vessels. So when we have a cut, the reason why we don't just keep bleeding and bleed out is because of platelets, which covers up that very space with that cut. Of course, there's limits. There's an extent to which it can work. Really, it can work. It works at all time. But sometimes when the cut is too deep, the person might have lost a lot of blood before platelets will be able to help. That's why sometimes we need to tie some stuffs to block the blood vessel before the wound, like that. So it says these are very essential in repairing damaged blood vessels. They do this by forming a blood clot to prevent blood loss. Now, if for any reason one has low amounts of platelets in such individual, ability for blood to clot will become ineffective and can lead to life-threatening situation if there's excessive damage should occur to such person. All right. So now, this is what it looks like. So this place here is the damaged blood vessel there, around there. That's what you're seeing there here. 6 seconds. Okay, like there. Then you notice that there's some like 8 like green, yes, like that. Those are clotting factors. That's we talk about that in A levels and in medical physiology, so to say. But basically, this is blood vessel and some other structures. Those things that look like fragments are the platelets and the red blood cells, and some other white blood cells comes around. Everybody comes around there to block off the blood clotting, but it is initiated by platelets and some other clotting factors like that. So now the question is, how do you differentiate different type of blood cells from one another? It's a common question in GCSE, so you should just take a picture of these in your heart, especially these 3 you have down here. So the platelets always looks like some sort of fragment. White blood cells, you can get it by the nucleus it possesses. Then the red blood cell is always bigger, of course, and it has that biconcave shape, basically. Let me say it here. It's not all white blood cells that has their nucleus like this. It could be it could be multilobular. That means it has different lobes, so to say. But the thing is, you need to remember the structures the way they are. It's going to be very helpful. All right.